Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove a background of an image. So for this tutorial, I will use this image. As you can see, it is a background here. Although it is blurred, but it still has a background. So first step is to head over to the browser and in the search bar, type remove.bg. I will leave the link for this website in the description of this video. Hit enter. Here, as you can see, the website has been opened. On this website, you can upload any image file of which you wanna remove the background. So let's upload my image. I will click on upload image and then I will head over to the location of my image to where the image has been saved. Click on open. And here, as you can see, it has removed the background of my image automatically. So I will click on the download button right here. Click on download and here you go. As you can see right here, the background has been successfully removed of this image. Now you can add any background to it. So there you go. You have successfully removed the background of your image in just a few steps. So leave a like and comment in this video and subscribe to the channel.